Do you feel me? You get what I'm saying?
You feel me? Mizo, feel me? Get it? I'm too smart.
Greetings to the world, yeah, this is OK Rasmus talking. I'm back again with another reaction as usual. Oh yes indeed, I'm back again with another reaction, yeah, and even look at the cover of the this is the second reaction from this album, Midibesa Venda, V-E-N-D-A, Edward Beats featuring Mizofel. The album in your Vanga Duvala for around language was Pando, one day uno giving before it's 31 January 2021, yeah, Edward Beats featuring Mizofel. Living alive. Man, this is dope. So without any waste of time, I ran the Mediterranean Passy.
Oh yeah.
Edward Beats, you're the best.
Ati TV why, bachinga batina kabanazo. Ati TV why, bachitora tina kabanazo. I'm alive. Look at me, I'm alive. The boys doing fine. Look at me, I'm alive. The boys doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. The boys doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright.
Okay, first and foremost, nyimbo zote zirapana ni beats zone zetu anga Edward Beats. Ana yabora ndiene ane Shrek. First hook yetu angai at the why. Bachin sorat sinande wanazo. I'm alive. The boy is doing fine. Okay? Ndina pindura kezo suzote. But let's hear it. Let's hear it. Ndo amba chimina chukwa panda.
Look at me, I'm alive. The boy is doing fine. Look at me, I'm alive. The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. Okay, tinandaba nabo. Bachinsola tinandaba nazo. Tinandaba nena bali nabo.
First verse, Mizofel. Bachinsola ne tinandaba nazo. Okay, tinandaba na bali nabo. Chivela chiri bali nabo ndiba burai. Jambo rabo bono konsora. Arara bachiko dilla nabo. Abene bono kolla na bono konsora. Tinandaba nabo. Okay?
Abadigi zine baba kazo. Nendo nuva kabo.
Okay. Abadigi zine baba kazo. Nendo nuva kabo. Like ndreni bono kosora ndibane already they are gossip mongers. So bono kolla nabo ndreni zvitora ona kabuchiro. Una lot bono sora mutu kana navenga mutu. Azonika kera utobora for the sake ya oreni. Bathu bane babore batsini naini vavenga mutu wemongo auri naini kombedze ubanyara ndingazo chikofini tinandaba na bali nabo. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah, tinandaba na bali nabo. Abadibi zvinova vakazvo ndi havo vonokolla navo asori.
Banazo tinandaba nena bali nabo. Abadibi zvinova vakazvo. Nendo nuva kabo. Bakurina bakurina satifo. Dekupisa dekupisa. Ora wait abendo vola mage. Ora wait
Damn. This is dope, but wait. Takarandra Chungo is dope. Like, hold up, wait. Abendo no Vrama gate. Like, the Gofuna Gamando Chief, hold up, wait. Like, Bitieto Maya Imore. Iko correspond na my foreign, hold up. I feel many. Abe no Vrama gate, ne? That ambo fini, but those yamba late. Like, it also goes to my fear Yamba Metro CMG Catrek and Fini. The coming step on the DBS now or never. Yeah, as Domborani, one codan, about our codinica the sheer. So that's what you go fini. As Cormin, don't know Vrama gate, but those yamba, one of our late, you refer a coffin the late, Rambo honor and got the late Mizofel. So but those yamba, oh no, don't know one of our late or no Vrama gate manch. Okay, that's dope, man. That's dope.
I'm
yeah ati ndidzo ndichambori ndimupreserve like ndimutsireledzi ndimuvhulungi wa luambo lwa Tshivenḓa ndikala ndi tshi khou bika nga dzikhuni na vhukhopfu like ri ḓivha vhukhopfu vhana vha mukala ndi ḓa hafhaḽa ndi tshi pfhi ni pfhi whatever tshiṱofu na mutovu ndi khou fhisa pfhi like hela ndi hele yo sumbedza sort of like ndi reaction ya musi no swa like too much man.
But those young no ballet, I've been cooking na bukofu na buliro ngachikofu nikokota na bukofu goddamn niko pisa give the long niko dina kutipina niko wina nichiimba bako china mara ati ndimi why bachingamba tena ndaba nazo ati ndimi why bachitsora tena ndaba nabo.
Okay, ndombo ri naphindo yesu ne the reason why chimwe chifhinga vhathu ni chirini sometimes you don't have to give a damn kha uri vhathu vha amba uri mini nga ini. And what I've realized about this life ndi uri losers will always look at the winners whereas the winners are always looking at the finishing line. Ndo na musi arani kambambe muthu ono loser ndi ano vha khosedza ri phanḓa whereas ari phanḓa wena no vha khosedza kha hune gundo ḽa khou fhelela hone. So that's why hu tshi khou pfhi ni ati ḓivhi why vha tshi ntsora thina ndavha nazwo. And that's how it is even in life man. Negativity is everywhere because gossip or criticizing it's another branch of negativity. So zwine na tea u ḓivha zwone zwori ni zwi solo vele at the end zwi solo zwi right nga ndavha uri ni zwi ita uri zwi vhona uri vhathu vha ḓivha uri ndi afhio maitele a vhukuma ane vhathu vha tea u tshilisa ngao. But wa vha na dzi constructive criticism dzine dzone dzine dzi vha dzi khou tou fhaṱa mara hafhanoni nga nḓila ine zwa khou ambiwa ngayo zwi khou tou ambiwa ngari ndi vhasoli vhane like tshavho ndi sokou tou dzula vha khou sokou tou amba like yeah that's how it is man. Okay,
I'm alive.
Changameni kuchiro.
I'm alive. The boy is doing fine. Look at me, I'm alive. The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright.
I dread beats. Verse, second verse.
I know you know I'm smart, so don't mess with my intelligence. Taking over 015, I know you feel me.
You know I'm smart, don't mess up with my intelligence. Taking over 015. I hope you feel me. Do you feel me? Do you get what I'm saying? Oh yes indeed. 015 the code ya Limpopo. Like 011 the code ya Gauteng. 021 Western Cape. 015 297 the code ya Limpopo. Mara yabara 297 the code ya Polokwane. Yabara 015 962 code ya Thohoyandou. So that's what you copy. I'm taking over 015. Like Adred Beats who could take over Limpopo lot. This is dope. This is dope. Like introduction. During the first 4 lines, they are massive.
The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. The boy is doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing alright. Look, I know you know I'm smart, so don't mess with my intelligence. Taking over 015, I know you feel me. Same song with Mizo, know you feel me. Mizo, feel me. Get it? I'm too smart.
Singing a song with Mizo. I hope you feel me. Mizo fell. Mizo fell me. Damn, this is dope.
Song with Mizo, know you feel me. Mizo, feel me. Get it? I'm too smart. See, I try to pay attention, but attention pays me.
You know, I've tried to pay attention, but attention pays me. Adred Beats, this is dope. Yo, let's start from the beginning.
Feel me, same song with Mizo, know you feel me. Mizo, feel me, get it? I'm too smart. See, I try to pay attention, but attention pays me. Energy, you take on that. Chono fuwa malamba. Sagat panda ibanga. I know you hate me, nigga, better protect. Finesse, money in my mind. I still a point, man. What you know about me? Excuse me, body meaning gun,
What do you know about me? Excuse me. Enough about what you know about me.
Know about me? Excuse me, body meaning gun, give me wine. Bachitaba tina ndaba nazo. Achitibi wine. Bachitora tina ndaba nabo. But I'm alive. Look at me, I'm alive. The boy is doing fine.
Yeah. That's it. What I'm gonna do. No go derme deranga pom round. Even no go feel I'm alive. Actually, if you're alive, no go back in an album. Yeah, Mizofel na Adred Beats. Never the album. Running about the 7. Kwamba roka drama dingo nonga bo auto Venda in the title track Better. Ride or Die, what do we call this? 3 a.m. in Limpopo. This is dope, man. This is dope. So, I'm still okay, Rasman Zion. I don't know the paid track is in Katiwa. Check out the description. I'm still okay, Rasman Zion.